radio amplifier. Amplifier 25 is from Bofeng technology. This is model Amplifier U25D. Input power is from 2 to 6 watts and output is 25 to 30 watts, so that's a lot of wattage. So I'm sure you can reach your family or friend, even they are in a deep of the forest. So this frequency can carry 400 to 480 megahertz. There we go. The manual. Yeah, it's English manual. The connection from your radio to this amplifier, the amplifier itself. Microphone, the control from this control is a connection from this amplifier to your radio. So to control the radio from in and out communication, because of this speaker and mic, you can connect to this amplifier. And the light and the power on and off button. The back, the input radio signal and through the antenna. This is the power. And the microphone, if you want to use the if you want to occupy this connection through your radio, you need a microphone. You need this one. Otherwise, you can use your microphone here by keep pressing this one, but it's not comfortable that you have a lot of wire. And adapter inside. The stand, you can permanently fix it to your car or anywhere that you need to. And the screw, this is your connection from your radio to this amplifier. You can hook your microphone, fix this one to any table or car and hook up your microphone, hang your microphone. Yeah, this is 13.8 volt DC. connection. Now we will measure how much really is the output power. First, the output power of my radio, so that we can really see if this one is work. Not going to use this one first, since I already have adapter from here. This is my custom connection to this radio. Okay, I'm going to test the GMRAs or FRAs, because they are sharing a channel. This is channel 5 462.660. So this is a testing without the amplifier. So you will see on my radio, this is okay, this is 462 and 660. So on my SWR, it shows 0.85 watts. So that is since I'm using a dummy load, so I have 1 SWR, and my forward power is 0.86, means that is the watt. So right now, every time I transmit, I got 0.86 forward power, 0.86 watts. I will change on the ham radio frequency, which is below 450. That is 0.99 watts. So now I'm going to hook up the amplifier. If this amplifier work, on first I will test on FRS channel 5, and then I will bring it down to ham radio, because this amplifier was designed on ham radio. So I will try this one work, will transmit, able to transmit through FRS channel 5. I will turn off my radio first, and then WR, then I'm going to unhook my radio. Now here is the amplifier. Can I do this? Oops. I will move this one backward so that you can see the amplifier connection. There is a three-way different connection of this amplifier. Now from the amplifier to dummy load, and then my radio, the transmitter, to my amplifier. Now I have to use the provided cable. Now I'm going to use the provided cable. We'll see if this cable is no drop power. Then they provided connector, since I'm using buffing. This is buffing from China, and this is BTech, which is buffing. It is made in USA. Now it's ready. We'll power up. It's down. Now it's power. Let's see. And then now power up the radio. We'll see how much.
Frequency mode.
I will try first on the ham radio. How much? Before is almost 1 watts. What is wrong? Before I hook up, I have 1 watts. Now I hook up the amplifier. Okay, I will let this reverse. I will do like this. Okay, let's reverse. Okay, this transmit. Now there is a lag of 0.2. If there is no amplifier, there is 0.9, 0.99. Right now it says 0.2. Instead of helping my radio or boosting my radio power, instead it's minus. So let's see on before I move on the, it's a, because this one it says 480, so I'm not able to, what about how to do the power. Okay, I will
Menu.
I will change the power. I say transmit power low, so I will say
Power.
high. I got only high and low. Okay, and then enter.
Confirm. Power. Confirm.
Then exit. Okay, how much? I adjust the power from low to higher. So what I have is 0.75, but this one it says from 2 watts to 6 watts. So without the amplifier, what happened? Okay, without amplifier. No, without amplifier, it's not even going to reach the meter. Now this is for opening. Okay. Then wait, what is this? Then this is for and to the radio. The speaker. We'll see if the speaker working. Yeah, the connection, the provided connect cable seems working properly. So this is I'm using the provided cable and provided mic from this BTech. Now, right now, for me, it's busted. It's not giving me a higher power. Again, I will turn off this radio, take off the since I'm going to measure how much power in higher watts with this radio without amplifier. So I will unhook this one. Then we turn this one back. My radio. Right now this radio was set on high power. And then directly to the dummy load without amplifier. Now try one more time.
Frequency mode. Channel mode.
Okay, good. Now 2 watts on FRS. It's busted because the actual power I'm transmitting on ham radio, which is 449 megahertz, is 3 watts, and on FRS channel 5 is about 2.5 watts. So I'm gonna return this amplifier. It's not working. Thank you for watching.